Here we come to the elevators at the Westgate Resort Hotel and Casino in Las Vegas, Nevada. I gotta talk over that music. These are Otis Elevonic 401 or 411M, I think. I have to talk over that music just so I don't get a copyright claim. I wrote these things just a second ago. These things are kind of busy, so apologize if this takes a while. I got that one over there. Your floor, sir?
13, please.
Yeah, you're lucky 13. What floor?
2.
29?
Oh, I'll take it.
Incoming.
Thank you.
Your floor, ma'am?
2. Thank you.
I'm sorry to not mean to shut on you.
Okay, no, that's okay.
No, I went in nudge mode.
It's alright.
What is that? Otis Elevator NP44.
I love your analytical mind. This guy right here. Smart.
Thank you so much. I appreciate the compliment. There's your Otis nameplate right there, your original Otis globe. Or Otis nameplate, I'm sorry. Seems like these were modernized.
Otis Elevator's been making elevators since they were first made.
Yep. They made, it has since been made since 1853. Awesome! I love that chime. Going up? You're going up, sir?
No, I'm going down.
All right. Boy, I love that chime. I'm gonna have to sample that chime. I'm gonna have to stop at 13 just to sample that chime. Dude, that was awesome. I'm not sure these are Elevonic 401 or 411. Or 411M, actually. Alright, let's see if there's a classic Otis leveling. I'm gonna capture that on camera. There it is. Alright, let's stop on 13 just to sample that amazing chime. I love that chime a lot. Sure, Westgate logo. Slow going down. These travel like about, I think, 500, 700 feet per minute. Alright, here it goes. I'm gonna try to sample that chime if I can. I don't know if it'll work or not. Nope, doesn't work. We'll try to... Oh, the up arrows, the up rail is gone. Let's see which of the elevators will come first. Awesome. All right, we'll go to 29, and I have also got a surprise for you upstairs. All right, it's down that hall over there. Here's the glass elevator. Oh, it's going all the way down. Look at this. Touch sensitive button. You know what, I'm gonna stop the camera here because I don't want to waste the memory. Here it is. Interesting that the down chime is lighted upwards. So these are your Series 3 touch sensitive buttons. See? They're locked off. Tap, 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 tap. Love these buttons. This is awesome. See, look at this. Barely touch it. This is the only one remaining in Las Vegas. The other one were all modernized. There's your cab view of this beauty. I'm gonna get a still photo. And that over there to your right, that's the Stratosphere Tower. All right, we're gonna go down to the lobby. Here we go. It's a hospital-sized elevator. I believe this one travels like 500 feet a minute. Look in the mirror, high. These are your fixtures. Otis Series 3 Luxury. Well, let's watch the classic Otis leveling. There goes the chime. Love that classic Otis leveling. You guys can go ahead.
All right.
You're welcome. There it goes. And that's it.